take a drive and hike the Mount Baker Scenic Byway. Stop into the Mount Baker Visitor Center in Maple Falls, conveniently located next to the last gas station along the route, for printed information, tips and adventures from a local perspective, and either a day or season National Forest Recreation Pass. Up the road, you can also check into the Glacier Public Service Center for 24/7 access to purchasing forest passes. Add the pass to your rear view mirror and continue down the highway towards the popular Nooksack Falls viewpoint. This essential pit stop on the way to Heather Meadows is just a short walk from the parking area. Then, continue up Mount Baker Highway and enjoy peekaboo views of mountains and picturesque pull-offs. Then, park alongside Picture Lake and take a short walk to the most photographed landscape in the United States. Getting tired yet? Spend the night in one of Mount Baker's pristine campsites, or drive back towards Glacier or Maple Falls for lodging. The next day, it's time to hit the trails. The Bagley Lakes Trail is perfect for both inexperienced and experienced hikers alike to explore 2 alpine lakes and impressive views of Table Mountain. Pack a lunch, take a dip, and enjoy. Then, wander up the beautiful road to Artist Point. When the snow melts out for the summer and you have to put your snowshoes away, Mount Baker becomes a hiking and backpacking paradise. On your way back towards the coast, stop by the North Fork Brewery, Pizzeria, and Beer Shrine for a local brew and delicious pizza.